Tato, we finish. Oh, Uncle Puma, we finish already. Hehe. Finish already. But Tatino was angry, very angry. Very angry. Hey, very angry. Very angry. Ah, Tato. Uncle Puma, 33. Tato, you see? He was angry before with the doctors. We thought that we cannot do it this morning. Blood exam. But then I tried me and the doctor only. So we are fortunate. At the beginning, Tato angry with me. But later on, I talked to him. We talked to him. So the doctors can did the blood test. Thank you. And tomorrow the result. I will call tomorrow for the result. You see? Now he's not angry anymore. Oh, you see? But before, very angry. Mhm. Here we are. For 3 months, we are here almost always in this 3 times a week in this parking area. For 3 months. And then we come back today for analysis, blood test, and urine. And also he is very last minute when I end my live. He did his urine. Oh, Tatino is very. I said you see. Tatino is very good. Not naughty anymore. This morning, very naughty. During my live, I scold him. Pinagalitan ko eh. Bisaya, hindi Tagalog, hindi Italian. Binisaya kung galit. Diba? Diba? Pag pinagalitan mo pala ayun, pagkatapos, nag-in ako ng live, ayun, nag-ihi na siya. Nagalitan ko kasi during my live, tinagalitan ko to. Binisayon bitaw kasabot din siya Bisaya, not Italian, not English, not Tagalog, only Bisaya understand. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye all. Thank you very much. Uncle Puma, thank you very much for everything. We love you. Tatino and Ida, love you. Love you, but God loves you more. God bless us all, and remain blessed.